Yoga is a practice that has been around for centuries, originating in ancient India. It's a holistic approach to physical, mental, and spiritual wellness that has gained popularity all over the world. The physical postures, or asanas, are what most people think of when they think of yoga. These postures are designed to improve strength, flexibility, balance, and overall physical health. But yoga is much more than just physical exercise. It's a mind-body practice that can improve mental clarity, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. In fact, research has shown that yoga can have a positive impact on a wide range of health conditions, from anxiety and depression to chronic pain and cardiovascular disease. If you're new to yoga, it's important to find a qualified teacher who can guide you through the practice safely and effectively. A good teacher can help you understand proper alignment, offer modifications for any injuries or limitations, and provide guidance on breathwork and meditation. Meditation is a key component of yoga, and it's something that can be practiced on its own as well. It involves focusing the mind on a particular object, sound, or mantra, with the goal of achieving a state of calm and relaxation. Pranayama, or breathwork, is another important aspect of yoga. It involves various breathing techniques that can help regulate the breath, calm the mind, and improve overall health. Restorative yoga is a gentle form of yoga that is perfect for beginners, or for those who are looking for a more relaxing practice. It involves using props like blankets, bolsters, and blocks to support the body in various poses, allowing for deep relaxation and release. Yoga can be practiced anywhere, from a studio to your living room to a park or beach. It's a versatile practice that can be adapted to fit your individual needs and preferences. Yoga can also be practiced with a partner, which can add a fun and social element to the practice. And for animal lovers, there's even yoga with pets. Practicing yoga with your furry friend can be a fun and relaxing way to bond and de-stress. Yoga can also be a great way to connect with others in a community setting. Many yoga studios offer group classes and workshops, providing an opportunity to meet new people and build a sense of community. No matter how you choose to practice yoga, the most important thing is to approach it with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Whether you're looking to improve your physical health, reduce stress, or connect with others, yoga has something to offer everyone. If you do not know how to start it, then there is a link in description. So why not give yoga a try and see what benefits it can bring to your life? Namaste. Please like and subscribe.